Hi friends, how are you? This is the last video for this entire week. You went through another great week of learning. I'm so proud of all of you. And you're getting used to watching the videos and watching your circle time online. And then I know you're doing some extra work after these videos. So you guys have to give yourself a round of applause and a pat on the back for all of the hard work you've been doing. And since it is Friday, we are going to do a short calendar video. And then I want you to do 2 crafts today. And then I want you to enjoy your time with your family. If you have a puzzle at home, I want you to do a puzzle and try to complete it the whole weekend. Now, try to do a puzzle that's a little bit bigger or has more pieces than what you're used to, because if you work on it a little at a time, then you'll be able to do it. I've seen a lot of pictures of my friends at home that are doing these giant 101,000 piece puzzles. And it is really impressive to see how often they're working on it and how the picture is coming along and coming together so nicely. So, what I'm going to do this weekend is 2 things. I have a new book that I'm reading that is really, really good. I just started it, but I'm going to try to finish it this weekend. And then also, I'm going to play a board game with my mom and my grandmother, which would be super cool. And I'm also going to start that puzzle that I bought. All right, now, and I want everybody, if they're doing a puzzle at home, take a picture of it from beginning, middle, and end so you could see the progress of you doing your doing your puzzle. Also, if you want to do like what I'm doing with the book, pick out a new book in your library that you maybe haven't read in a long time. Maybe you can go. I know we can't go to the library yet, but you could always go online to look for a new book and you could listen to it as somebody else reads to you, which would be super cool. All right, try to do something that you haven't done. Try to read a book that you haven't done. Try to do a puzzle that you haven't done. Try to draw a picture or a craft that you haven't done. But this weekend's going to be about doing something that we haven't done before. All right. And I haven't done a puzzle yet, so I'm going to start my puzzle this weekend. I'm going to do a nice board game and I'm going to finish my book. All right, I'm excited to hear what you guys end up doing too. Send me pictures. You can email them to me, whatever it may be, but send me the pictures of what you're doing. All right. So let's go to the calendar so we could start these tasks that I'm giving you for the weekend. All right. So yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was April 16th, right? Because we have the number 16 here. Now we're going to figure out what this number is. And some of you can just say, oh, well, 16, I know what number comes right after 16. That's so easy. But some of you might say, you know what, I have to practice a little bit. I have to start at 10 and then count and figure out what comes next. Some of you might have to go back to 1, and that is totally fine. All right, I yesterday started at 10, so I want to start at 10 again just to help you guys practice. You can start at 1, but you could start at 10 and continue your counting from there. All right, so let's start at 10. Everyone say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What comes after 16? 17. Yes, the number 17. Now, when you say the number 17, okay, now you could hear a number in that. Everyone at home say 17. 17. Okay. You could hear the number that is in this card, right? And is it the number 5? Do you hear the number 5 in 17? I don't. Do you hear the number 9 in 17? What number do you hear when I say 17? What number do you hear? Yes, you hear the number 7. Very good. Well, in the number 17, there is a 7. And if we look at all these other numbers, what number, starting at 10 and to the number here, what number do they both have? Or do they all have in there? I'll give you a hint. It's the first number. That is the same. What number is that? Yes, very good. It's the number 1. So this number here, 17, I think has to have a 1 in it. Yes, it does. And I guarantee you that it's going to have a 7 in it. So the number 17 is going to be a 1 and a 7. Wow, that is amazing. Let me get my number 17 card here. And then we could add it in. Oh, man, where's my number 17 card? All right, well, So look at this here. I have the number 17 here, but this was from March. It says St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to put it in the calendar, but tomorrow I'm going to find the new card 17 and we're going to change that because it's not St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. I don't want to confuse you guys. So we're going to put the number 17 there, okay? It's a white box. Oh. If you can help me out and draw the number 17 at home, again, a 1 and a 7, then maybe that'll help me find the 17 card. All right? Go ahead. While you're doing that, at least we have everything we need for the date, right? So at least we could do the date. So don't forget that today's the 17th, okay? And it is, I said it in the video, but Friday. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. Let's spell it together. Ready? Friday. Let's do that one more time. Ready? Friday. Very good. And that spells Friday. Woohoo. And don't forget, what number is this again? Yes, this is supposed to be 17. Very good. A 1 and a 7. Very good. So we have the number, kind of. We have the day of the week. We know that we're in the month of what? Everybody screaming at home. We're in the month of April. And we know the year is 2020. So we have everything that we need for the date. All right, so let's do it together. We have today's date is Friday, April, white square, 2020. Is that what today's date is? April, white square? No. What number again is supposed to be on here? Yes, 17. Okay, thank you for reminding me. All right, so today's date is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Thank you so much for helping remember that. Let's switch over here to try to find Friday on the poster board. Friday. What letter makes the F sound? Yes, the letter F. Thank you so much. So which one of these starts with an F? Does this one start with an F? No, good job. Does this one start with an F? Good job. Does this one start with an F? No, it doesn't. Where is it? Which one says Friday? I can't find it. Can you find it at home? Which one says Friday? The blue one. This blue one? This blue? Oh, there it is. Thank you for helping me. This is the number. This is the day of the week called Friday. Friday, there we go. I remember now because we spelt it. And it's Friday. Friday. Oh, that says Friday, silly Miss Leisha. Well, I'm happy that it's Friday because we get to relax our brains for the weekend. If you do not do a circle time, you could review some circle times from this past week, but there is no circle time on the weekends. If you want, you can practice your sign language, you could practice your sight words, you could maybe do an extra craft, but you do not have to worry about circle time on the weekends, which is super, super cool. And again, always make time for your healthy breakfast, your healthy snacks, and your healthy meals, and always make time to go outside if it's nice out, all right? So a few things just to review the tasks that I want us to do for this weekend. I want you to start something new that you haven't done before, all right? So I am doing a book. I'm going to read a book that I just got. It's a new book. I'm going to read a new puzzle. I ordered one on Amazon, but I do have a few new ones in my house that I haven't even touched yet. So I'm going to pick one. I'm going to do one. And then I am going to try to get outside. And I'm going to try to do a new craft, right? So we have a book, a puzzle. What are some things that we should do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend? Besides the book and the puzzle. Wow. Well, enjoy time with your family. Enjoy finding a new movie or maybe a new TV show or something new, but do something new. We're going to come back here on Monday and we're going to talk about it, okay? I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. Have a great day. Happy weekend. Happy Friday. Woo!